Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to increase your income. Not someday, not soon, but starting right now. Artificial intelligence is the most powerful tool of our time, and if you're not using it, you're already falling behind. So, let's change that. I've helped freelancers, entrepreneurs, and beginners transform their skills into real money, just by using AI tools the right way. If you're ready to make 2025 your breakthrough year, let's dive straight in. You don't get paid for the hours you work, you get paid for the value you deliver. AI helps you automate the boring stuff, writing emails, ChatGPT generating images, Midjourney, DALL-E scheduling and admin, AI assistance translations and subtitles, AI tools. When you automate low-value tasks, you free up time to focus on work that pays more, like project strategy, sales, and client growth. Here are profitable AI-based ideas anyone can start. Content creation, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, blogs, AI freelance services, design, copywriting, automation, digital products, templates, presets, ebooks, print on demand using AI-generated art chatbots set up for businesses. You don't need to be an expert, you just need the right tool and the right direction. AI is fast, but humans are creative. Combine both and you become unstoppable. Example, AI writes the script, you add storytelling, AI generates images, you add branding, AI builds a funnel, you close salespeople pay for results, not tools. AI can help you. Write social media posts, create professional videos, design a unique brand identity. Analyze what your audience wants. The stronger your brand, the more money you make, higher trust, higher prices, more clients. New AI tools launch every week. If you learn faster than others, you earn faster than others. Artificial intelligence isn't here to replace you, it's here to upgrade you. You can either watch others get rich with AI, or you can join them. So, pick one tool, one skill, and start today.